Okay, our last activity for Chapter 3 is a reading skill, and it's identifying cause and effect. Cause and effect means that one thing leads to another. A cause and effect relationship fits into the formula if yada yada yada, then yada yada yada. An example: hand on the table, sound. Cause, hand on the table, effect, sound. Okay. For example, if my mother finds out I lost her favorite pair of earrings, then she will be angry. Now, certain words can signal the presence of a cause and effect relationship. These words are as a result, for this reason, therefore, hence, consequently, due to the fact, because, and so. So, take a look at the paragraph below, and as you read, look for the cause and effect relationships. Also, look to see how signal words can be used to identify a cause and effect relationship. Fresh water is the necessary resource around the world. We all need water for drinking, cooking, and bathing, as well as to grow food. Yet, many people have difficulty getting enough water. Because fresh water is scarce in many places, some people must walk miles to get drinking water. Often, the water that is available is not clean. For this reason, people might become sick. Due to the fact that so little water is available in some places, some experts predict that future wars might be fought over access to fresh water. So, what are our causes and effect? Well, if you look at on the right-hand side there, look for the signal words. What are the words that show us that there's a cause and effect relationship? The first one is because. And if you look there, it says fresh water is scarce in many places. So some people must walk miles to get drinking water. The cause is fresh water is scarce. There's not much of it. And the effect is people have to walk miles and miles. The next one, available water is often not clean, is the cause. And the effect is people might become sick. Cause and effect. And the last one, little water is available in some places, is the cause. And some experts predict that wars might be fought in the future over access to fresh water, over being able to get fresh water. Cause, little water is available. Effect, future wars might be fought over that. So, that's an example. What I'd like you to do now is go ahead and do this on your own. This document is also available on the Facebook page if you want to look at it more closely or print it out. But go ahead and read the paragraph and identify three cause and effect relationship and their signal words. Again, as always, please feel free to post that in the Facebook group or send me an email.